Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will be looking at how to configure reimbursement. On the home page, click the settings icon on the right-hand corner. Click Configure Rules. Click Add-on Modules. Click Reimbursement. Select the from date and the to date range to set up the claims window. That is, if you want to restrict the employees to submit the claim only within the date range and not beyond the date range. If you want to process the reimbursement along with the payroll, enable the checkbox Reimbursement along with payroll option. Uncheck the box if the reimbursement is paid outside and not along with payroll. Enable direct claims. If this option is enabled, the approval will trigger directly to the final approver, so the reporting manager will not receive any approval notification. If the box is not enabled, then the approval will first go to the reporting manager and then to the finance manager for approval. Validate bills of previous claim. Enabling this option will validate bills and component type for previously submitted claims. To prevent duplicate claims, the system will not allow you to submit the same bill number twice for the same expense component. In ESS, when the employee tries entering the same bill number under the same component a second time, the system will display the message, "Already you have claimed the expense with the same bill number." Click Save and your reimbursement is configured. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.